Okay, how's it going, Option Sharks? This is your option coach here, and today I'm joining you on my patio once more. And the weather's a little bit cloudy and slightly windy, but I like it because it's nice and breezy. Okay, so in this video, I want to cover about the crypto market and how the crypto industry is revolutionizing the way we transact, the way we build wealth, the way we have the government not involved in our everyday finances, and how we make transactions globally. All right, so a lot of systems that we are using now, and it's a bit outdated, okay, and the fees that you incur for making the transfers, and also the time it takes to receive a transfer is significantly long, right? Particularly the SWIFT system. So if you've ever done business before, making bank transfers and wire transfers, you know it takes a day to 3 days, right? So with crypto technology, blockchain, you can make transfers within a few seconds and a fraction of the fee that you pay when you use the other traditional methods. So crypto and blockchain is not going away. It's making our lives more efficient, optimizing, and also much lower fees around the technology itself and the safety around it too. So why is this important? Because it's not going away, okay? And the amount of money and the institutions that are coming into this market, it's already gaining traction, all right, globally. Now, obviously, in the first world, this is where most of the institutions are in and private investors are in. But as you can see, as global adoption happens, crypto will continue to grow and continue to scale. And this is an industry where now there's no denying it that if you want to build wealth and you are in the market, right? Stocks is great, but crypto is also just as great. Now, how do you get exposure to crypto? You can definitely invest in crypto directly and get the exposure that way, or indirectly into ecosystems or companies that have exposure to crypto. So in my case, I do have some crypto and I'm just buying it. I just have it on hold. I'm not looking at it. I'm not even worried about it. It's something that I just put some funds in and not look at it for the next 3 to 5 years. And then I do trade crypto, right? The ecosystem around it, and on companies that are that have crypto assets, particularly Bitcoin or Bitcoin mining. Okay, so how do we benefit all that? How do you capitalize on that opportunity? So there's a few companies that I want to share. Obviously, Coinbase, COIN, ticker symbol, and then Hood, HOOD, Robinhood, which is not only a brokerage, but also offering tokenization, all right, that you can get exposure through the blockchain on US stocks. And then, of course, there's also Bitcoin miners like Mara, MARA, CleanSpark, CLSK, and Iron, IREN. So these are companies that can give you exposure to the crypto blockchain industry, and you can capitalize on that. So I'm very bullish on crypto. It's not going away. And again, this is something that you have to pay attention to, because you have to get in on these markets while this is what is the revolution, right? The industry, the cycle that we are in. So you have to take advantage of that. And these cycles come and go. So crypto is something that is not going away. And if you want to understand how to trade crypto, how to generate income, getting indirect exposure to that market, definitely can help you with that when it comes to trading options and also investing in the ecosystem, right? The power, the energy companies that supply crypto technology and database centers as well. All right, so either way, like usual, you'll see on the second half of the video, you'll see me, there's a recording of me with my option charts, exactly how I coach and how I help my members generate income anywhere between 3 to 10% trading options. And if you want to get some help, you are in the market or you're very new, I'll be more than happy to work with you and to share with you how we work. So I provide in the comment, in the description, a link to my booking link. So if you book a time there, you'll speak directly with me, and I'd like to get to know you and then share with you how we can help and if it's a good fit or not. Okay. Either way, like and subscribe, leave a comment. I'll check it out. And other than that, don't miss out on the crypto cycle. Talk to you soon. Options.
Yeah, options.
And then ACHR.
You wanna do different? A,
Yeah,
C,
this is better
H,
because
R.
yeah. your buying power, it tells you available cash and investments is 24,000. So
Where,
that's what
where,
we're working with
where did you see it?
on the top right
Ah,
there.
available cash and cash investment.
That
Okay.
is accurate. That's right.
But this is
And
not for stocks. Buying stocks, I have more. I have like three buying
buying stocks is
stocks.
different because you can use margin. In
Right.
this case, we're not using margin. So sell to open, you got 24,000.
How much is this? It's $9. What's the price of the stocks? Nine
Yeah.
dollar.
And then quantity, you could put 28.
28.
Yep. And then the expiration is correct. And the strike price is going to be 850, not 9.
The stock price is gonna be okay.
You see where it says 9? Yeah, change to 850.
How much should be?
$8.50. 850.
Eight 850. Okay.
All right. So good. There we go. We see, and it's going to be a put to the
Put.
right next to 850. It's going to put, you had to select put next to the 850. There you go. Okay. So, yeah, this is, we're going to use all the buying power for this. So you can execute this trade. 27, it's about 756 for this week.
No. If it's go the right way.
You collect this right away. This is the premium upfront.
I know, but if it goes
Yeah.
against you,
Uh, you get assigned the shares, and you get assigned the shares at 850. And if it's
right?
below 850, you have unrealized loss, but you're still
Yeah,
okay because you can still cover calls.
right.
Yeah. But the market right now is very bullish.
Going up.
Uh, Archer is also partners with Palantir, and owning Archer at anywhere between 7 to 850 range is the best. Anything higher than 850 is not recommended.
Mhm. You you never buy stocks, right? Even if you see a good deal, you're only selling
Because there's no
option.
good deal right now.
No,
This is the good deal.
you
But you don't want
only
to buy it at 9 either. You're much
you
better off
only
trying to.
selling you only selling option, right?
I also have long position. I have AMD and I also have Airbnb. I have
This
a
is
thousand
for
shares of Airbnb and I have 300 shares of AMD.
but
But
this is not the option. This is you bought
this
it.
is just buy and hold, right? But you
Mhm.
need to execute this before the numbers change and you're not going to get filled.
Okay, review order.
Yeah, and then you can just process this.
It's good.
Correct.
Everything is
Everything's
good.
good. Yeah, because if you wait anymore, the numbers change and you may not get the full amount.
Oh,
Check order status. No, in the middle, order status. No, in the middle, it says order status. In the middle, you go down.
order the order
Yeah,
status
there you
filled.
go. You got filled. Outstanding. Okay, so that's about 756 for this week.
Oh, one sec. Oh, yeah.